out of there.
Ain't nothing but against the party.
Like that up, Slim. Why you acting like that?
YouTube, what is up? Nick's Kicks 35 coming at you today with another video. I'm gonna start doing like a weekly things. I just put a video out a couple of days ago. Pickups. So I'm just gonna, what I picked up, what I received, and unboxings and all that. So let me just get into the first one. This was actually unboxing, but I unboxed it before I did this. I'm sorry. Another pickup from yours truly, people at Stockx. Little Stockx card that comes with it. Snap a picture. Give you a sticker. Receipt. But as I showed you, so we all know what it is. Bread toe ones. Let's pull it out. Yeah. Now I will go on and say, I've had the shatters in my hand. I think just out the box, the shattered backboards were better. Hell, I think the laser ones have better quality. I mean, to me, this feels like any Jordan 1 up here. Like the black toes or anything else that came up. But then when the quality gets down to like the back of here, feels more like the breads. And then this leather right here is tumbled. The swoosh is pretty generic. And then this toe box. That's like the same toe box from the breads I could show you. I rocked my breads the other day. Toe box pretty similar as far as like when you touch it. But I mean, I just think the most underrated Jordan 1 when you speak of quality is the lasers to me. That's the most underrated. Not saying it's the best, but I think it's up there. But people just didn't like the shoe. So you got your little Stockx, little verified, authentic little tag on it. The weather's kind of crappy where I'm at right now, and they're doing like a lot of construction by my house. So I do not want to do an on foot of these yet. I'll probably put that in a separate video. I'll probably shoot an on foot of all the shoes I got up here. It's supposed to be nicer this weekend. So the bread toes, I mean, you've seen a lot of reviews as far as this goes, like on YouTube. So we'll just go ahead and get into the next. I ain't gonna go over the shoe too much. I mean, we all know what the shoe is. You got the off-white, like the shatters and stuff like that. I wish it would have came with some cream laces. I've seen a couple people doing that. That's pretty dope to me, the cream laces. But for right now, I'm going to keep these DS. I might do an on foot of these later at another time. So, but I got a couple more pickups to get into. So, next up, I had a nice restock. I don't know if you could tell from the angle of this box what it could be. But, boom. Not too much of a hint. Open it up. Now you know exactly what it is. Well, what color is it? If you read the label that fast or paused it, then you know I got the white and red Air Max 1s anniversary restock. Restocked at a it restocked over at a local shoe store by me. So I went and scooped these things up. Paid retail for them. I know they're not going for too much outside of retail, but with Air Max, I don't know. I have to try the shoe on. Most Air Max I wear 14 in. Some of them I can get into a 13, which is like these. I went in the store and I tried these on. So these are tried on, but I had to get them Air Max 1s. These are just too classic. They're going to be so dope in the summer. And I'm going to spray them down with some protector. Got both of them. Got the extra laces over here. Where's the Nike tag? Did that rip off? Yeah, I pulled it off. Came with the Nike Air tag. This is the restock version. So Air Max 1s. There's tons of reviews out there. But pretty much just white, red, with the gray. Everybody knows what the Air Max 1 looks like. Not need to go too much into it, but got these. These will be on foot. I will shoot this in a separate video on foot of these. So there you go, Air Max 1s. And then my third sneaker pickup. Been a little busy this week. Something light, something you probably haven't seen on my channel in a while. If you watch my channel, then you may know. The Vans. Got a pair of Vans old school in this checkerboard. I thought these were dope. I'm saving these till the summertime also. You could pick these up at your local like Foot Locker, Foot Actions, Van stores, Journeys, I think. A bunch of places got these. 60 bucks on these, not bad. $60 shoe. Gotta love, I like these Vans old schools. So I picked these up. I'm gonna do a separate on foot video for these also as well. So checkerboard style. I like them. I think they're dope. That's why I grabbed them. What else we got? Pickups. Miscellaneous. But I did happen to go by the Nike outlet today. Grabbed 3 Jordan shirts. Got this one with the Jordan 11. North Carolina one. These are all $14.99. Go to your local Nike outlet. I got this one to go with the 3s. So you can pause at any point in the video and check those shirts out. So not bad. I got 3 shirts, 3 sneakers. Let me come right. And you know I'm a big Patriots fan, so I had to grab up this red and white Patriots hat. Saw this when I was picking up my Air Max 1s. This hat was pretty dope, so had to get that into the collection. Do that. And that's about it. I'm looking around the room, see if anything else I picked up. I did happen to grab... Oh, I just made a mess. I got my Rejuvenator. Got some sneaker laundry. Pack of Soul Shields. And then I got the laundry kit. Got this bag full of stuff with the shoehorns in it and everything. The only thing I hate about Rejuvenator is all these damn packing peanuts. Don't ship in packing peanuts. Here's this, it fell. And there's a little thing. So, been pretty busy this week. Got a Rejuvenator pickup, Rejuvenator box in with some cleaning stuff for my future restoration videos. Got 3 sneaker pickups. Got the Vans Old Schools, Nike MX 1 anniversaries, and a pair of the Bread Toes. The on foot to those will be out later. I'll put them out probably this weekend. Grab me some shirts over at Nike. So, been pretty busy. I have another video coming at the end of this week. I just picked up, I'll give you a little hint. I picked up something from SoulSteals.com. So, I got a Soul Steals box unboxing video coming at the end of the week. I'll be dropping some more videos throughout the entire week. This is Nick's Kicks 35. If you hit that like button, hit the bell for notifications so you get notified when I drop a new video. Also hit that subscribe button. The 100 subscriber giveaway is coming real soon. I just feel like I took a long hiatus, so I'm not getting the views that I used to get on videos from a few months ago. But I will do that giveaway coming up pretty soon. It's going to be something light, but I just don't want to make it where only like 3 people or 4 people. So once, you know, any of my videos from this point on, so if this video gets to, let's say, 50 likes, I'm doing the giveaway. So next video that gets 50 likes, I'm doing the giveaway, because that means enough people are watching them and stuff like that. So I will do the video, so don't freak out about that. This is Nick's Kicks 35. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out.